Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Reality show reviews guys. Ayike bakithi ubuyile ke umnakwethu lapha ke kumzansi Magic ngolwesibili ngo8 kahle ke nje demsele ku family ibuye ngeinkani la kumabona kude. We are currently watching uthando nesithembu ngolwesine ezomshado esakaza ke uMamkhulu kanye ke noMakhumalo. Manje ke sekubuye ke Mnakwethu nokuyiwona ke zokhuluma ngawo namhlanje, and again guys we are waiting for ukuthi kubuye izingane zesithembu. So nje guys umusamsele kwayicha uyayenza imali impela lapha na ke ku TV and abantu bayamthanda kakhulu noma bemcasukela kodwa kwezinye izinto kodwa ke nje impela cha imali yona ke uyayenza guys. Umnakwethu kubudlala izolo and kusayiso isikhalo esifanayo seminyaka yonke ukuthi ke indoda engekho financial stable akufanele nje ifune isithembu, akufanele ixake ngesithembu. Nomseleku ke kumele naye ayenze ke i-research before azobamela ke laba bhemu ke abasuke ke befuna isithembu kodwa bengenalutho. On the previous episode the young man yakwamseli iceleke ubaba umseleku ayoyicela isithembu kunkosikazi wayo ngenxa ukuthi i-girlfriend yayo isize yakhulela, so sebenengane ke so usefuna ukumthatha njengonkosikazi wesibili. Mind you akukho nendlu ayomngenisa kuyo mangabe ke eze ekhaya, uthi ke uyomlalisa kwagogo ke umakoti ke omncane, kodwa ke lapho ke khona kunjalo ufuna isithembu. Utheke isizathu sakhe esikhulu sokuthi ke afune isithembu noma ke ugana ngumfazi wesibili, uthi kufuna ayogada umama wakhe. Angazi ukuthi wayengaqashi ke unogada, ufuna ke ayogada umama wakhe ekhaya ngoba lo munye umfazi uhlala eThekwini uye ekhaya ngama holiday. So isona sizathu ke lesasibekile sokuthi ke kungakho ke efuna isithembu. Yazi guys kukhona into amadoda angayiqondisisi kahle ukuthi ke kulesikhathi samanje siphila kusona, as much as singashada kodwa impilo ephilwa manje iyaphoqa ukuthi umuntu nomuntu akwazi ukuzimela, iyaphoqa ukuthi umuntu nomuntu akwazi ukuthi ke azimele, unganciki komunye umuntu. Uyacabanga nje bese ke lo sesaye kumsebenza emakhaya uhlala ke nomamezala wakhe bese ke indoda ithumela imali kuye kuhambe kahle nje bese kuyashona ke indoda yakhe noma ke phela umsebenzi kuyokwenzekalani ngalonkosikazi wakhe obebheke yena engazami lutho empilweni. Ngiyazi ukuthi abanye bazothi mhlambe ke angazama phela emakhaya amatoga guys, emakhaya amatoga awekho ukuthi ungathola into ongakwazi ukuyiphilisa ngayo. Isikhathi siphila kuso siyasiphoqa ukuthi umuntu nomuntu akafunde akwazi ukuyimela, akwazi ukuyisustain. If edayisa akakwazi ukudayisa, but emakhaya akwazi ukuthi ungadayisa udayisela abantu because abantu bathenga once in a while. So nje guys akukho lula njengoba abantu besuke beyibuka into ukuthi ke ngifuna umuntu ozongana ukuze akwazi ayogada umama ekhaya. Akusasebenzi kanjalo njengakudala. Nansi ke imbono yabantu ngale show lapha ke ku social media. Lo qala utheke this show was created to hurt women. I'm in tears seeing her crying yet I don't know her. KZN Kimatata wayithi even little boys like this once is isithembu. This guy doesn't even have a proper house but ubatla a second wife. I stopped watching that show because I feel like it was created to hurt women deeply inside. Men just invited poverty on poverty. How can one have two wives without proper house and simple sofas? Lerata Clara straight. Wasithi komunye ke let your own woman know from the beginning that you are polygamist. Ahlale ayazi ukuthi and she shouldn't be surprised the day uthi ke you want to take the second wife. So this season you've even brought along a first wife's friend so for moral support. Yeah, the show has an agenda to destroy women. They always want isithembu but they can't even provide simple proper home for their first wives. I asile la madoda lawo. It's always the broke men wanting to take more than they can handle. Wathi ke umbuyi umuntu ufuna isithembu kodwa indawo ahlala kuyo akhona furniture kugcwele amabhakede. I wonder how is he gonna maintain isithembu. Nonsense nje indaba yale show. Uzothi masefebe lomfazi bese kube sengathi uthi injengoba ke babe sibancane ngesikhathi ke behlangana. Amadoda bafethu after God fear man, and lo mseleku ke uyawadukisa lamadoda. So guys basho njalo kwabantu imbona abantu ke ihleze ukukhala kakhulu abantu abakhomenta abantu besifazane abahleze bethi cha le show le ayivale. But I feel like umzatsi magic awunandaba ukuthi ke ama views abantu athini ngoba ishow yenza imali, so kubona iyona into ebalekile kakhulu leyo. And I don't even think ukuthi guys they check ukuthi labantu laba kade beyiphathe show, how are they doing, you know, after all this ukubuka iTV, ukubuka kwi-TV nokubonwa ngabantu ngeinkinga zemendo yabo basuke ke bebhekene nayo. Ayibakithi asazi, but most women are hurt by lento yale show and nalesi sithembu umseleku ahambe sifunza abantu. Abanye bathi ke kungcono ukuthi uvele ushiye ngoxolo emshadweni wakho. Abanye bathi hlala ubekezele le ndoda le impilo yakho yonke. Angazweni ukuthi uthini umbono wakho ngalo show, zikhona noma azikho izifundo esizithola kuyona. Please do comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for